Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how I do an easy makeup look just for beginner, and this is my style I often apply when I need to go to a party or just hang out with my friends. And first I need to tie my hair with a headband and a scrunchie. Step 1. Dampen my face. I use Hada Labo Face Nourish Lotion, and this is good to moisturize your skin. Some drop. Apply it gently on your face. Don't forget your neck, because I will make up this area as well. So wait till 10 seconds to make it dry a little bit. And then I will use a sponge to apply my foundation. I often use this lotion again a little bit on my sponge to dampen it. With foundation, I use this brand, L'Oreal Infallible Stay Fresh Foundation 24 hours. I got used to using this brand for almost 3 years, and this is a great drugstore brand. So I use 1, 2, 3 pumps. So apply it. My neck. To apply a foundation, I do this. I don't do this. No, this. Use this shape for your nose. These areas you are hard to touch it. So you can see after this step, my skin tone is lighter a bit, and it kind of tone up foundation. just a bit, because I choose the right tone for my skin. So, second step, I will use a breast powder from Maybelline. This is Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless, and this breast powder is for normal to oil skin. My skin is oil. And it has a mirror and a sponge as well. I will use this sponge to apply powder. Just a little bit. On this area, it will create lots of oil. I don't apply onto my skin, only some area. And a little bit on my neck. So first step, I will draw my eyebrow, and the eye pencil I use, this is from the face shop. The color is number 5 dark brown. This is the most difficult step. Brush it. Make it longer. One side, following with another side. Fourth step, eyeshadow. I use the brand of Clean Color. This is the palette, 6 color contour eyeshadow palette. It has a brush, so I will use this tiny brush for my eyes. First, I will apply a paste, so I use this color. It kind of page. Use my finger to spread it. Oh, use my finger may faster. Too much. I will use a little bit tissue to eraser. Okay. Then apply a darker color. Apply it on the center. And then spread out. Another color, darker. Do the same with another side. Fifth step, blush. I use this lipstick for my blush. This is the brand of Silky Fit Lipstick VOV, and the color is peach. One, two, three spots. Then spread out. A little bit on my nose. Final step, I will apply lipstick. Before it, I need to apply lip balm. I use Nivea. Because my lips are so dry, so I need to apply a thick layer lip balm. And then I choose the lipstick of Stella. The color is pink. So I finished my makeup look. Now even I see I have eye circle, so but I won't erase it because I think it makes my eyes deeper. So brush my hair and then dress a new dress. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoy it and see you later.